Okay, so we want to solve this question on the board here. That is for WASSCE 2018. WASSCE 2018. The past question that we are solving here. So with this question, they are saying that in the diagram, angle QOS is a diameter angle RQ. Angle RQS is equal to X, and angle QST is equal to 3x plus 50. Find the value of X, then angle RSQ. Okay, so we divide to solve for the value of X. We have the sum of two opposite interior equal to the exterior. Sum of two opposite interior equal to the exterior. So we have, this is 90 degrees plus X equals 3x plus 15. So 90 plus x equals what? 3x plus 15. That's the sum of two opposite interior equal to the exterior angle. Okay. And from here we have two group like terms. So 90, I'll bring the 15 minus 15 degrees. Here is 3x. Transfer this x as minus x. Then here you get as 75 degrees equal to x. So you divide through by the coefficient of x, which is 2. So on 2, this answer is your x is 75 on 2, that will give us 37.5 degrees. So that is the value of x. That is the value of x here. Kindly like and share the video when you join us here. Okay, then the next question is you find the angle RSQ. Angle RSQ, meaning the angle here. That's what we are supposed to find. So to solve that, we can see that this is a straight line. So we use angles in the straight line. So angle RSQ will be equal to angles on a straight line, which is 80. So 180 degrees minus we have 3x plus 15. So here 80, but we have 3x minus 15 already there. So you subtract it from it, then you know the angle here. So here we have 180 degrees. You expand the bracket. Negative times 3x as negative 3x. Negative times 15, positive 50, that's minus 15. So we group the light and we have 180 degrees minus 15 degrees minus 3x. So here, this will give us 165 is minus 3x. Okay, so we have the x to be 37.5. So we have here to be 165 degrees minus 3 by 7.5 degrees. So you multiply by 3, 15, we have 1, 21, 22, carry 2, this 9, 11, and we will get 112.5 degrees. 112.5 degrees. So we have here to be 165 degrees minus is 112.5 degrees. So here we have 165.0 minus 11. So this will give us 5, here will be 4, so here will be 2, this will be 5. So our answer will be 52, angle RSQ will be 52.5 degrees. 52.5 degrees. Okay. Then the next question we want to look at Okay, so we want to look at this question as well. So the thickness of a rainbow are 10.5 centimeters and 9.3 centimeters long. Correct to 1 decimal place the perimeter of the rainbows. So if this is a rainbow which is having all the size equal, then one of the diagonal will be like this, the other one also be like this. So one of the diagonals 10.5, so meaning since the sides are the same, the diagonals also bisect each other at equal length. So we divide the 10.5 into 2. 10.5 into 2. Okay, so it's 10.2 rather. 10.2 into 2, which we will get 5.1. So here is 5.1 centimeters. 5.1 centimeters. Okay, then the 9.3 also we divide it into 2. The 9.3 we divide into 2, which will give us 4.65. 4.65 division 2 93. So 8 4 8, the remainder is 1. So 2 cannot go in, you bring the 3 points here. 2 into this, that is 6. 2 6 12. So the remainder is 1. Then we add 0 to go into this 5. So here we get 4.65 centimeters. So meaning here is 4.65 centimeters. 4.65 centimeters. Okay. So that is what we're using. So now we need to find the one of what? The side of the rainbows. One of the side of the rainbows using Pythagoras theorem. So I can put here S. Then I'll take this right angle triangle out, where I have my here to be S. And this 4.65 centimeters, and this will be 5.1 centimeters. Okay, so from here, by Pythagoras theorem, we have S squared to be equal to 4.65 squared plus 5.1 squared. We have 4.5 squared to be 21. It's 21.6225. Then 5.1 squared to 26.0. So from here, you have the L squared to be, you add them, you get 47.6325. So x will equal to square root of 47.6325. So this gives us S.901. Right. So to find the perimeter, if this side is 6.901, it means all the sides are the same. For rainbows, all the sides are the same. So the perimeter of the rainbows will be 4 times 6.901, which will give us 27.606. So therefore, they are saying to one decimal place. So that will be 27.6. Only one number should be left. We check the number behind and see if it is significant or not. If it is not, you leave your answer like that. So here we have centers. So that we count the perimeter of the rainbow. rhombus. Perimeter of the rhombus. Let's solve our last question. Okay, so we have this question also. Said given that sine x equals 3 on 5, where the angle is between 0 and 90, that is right angle, you find the value of 5 cos x minus 4 tan x. Good. So in this one we have, since we are giving sine x equals 3 on 5, we can use this formula for SOHCAHTOA, which is the SO is sine theta on the SO is what? Sine, which is opposite on hypotenuse. Then the C is for cos, so cos is adjacent on hypotenuse. Then the TOA, that is tan, is opposite on adjacent. So since you have been given this, if you take the right angle triangle, it will be like this. And it means that if the angle is here, the sine x, which is opposite, the side which is opposite to the angle, that is what? This side, which is 3. Then the hypotenuse is 5. So you can put a letter here, let's say E, and look for that one. So by Pythagoras theorem, we have is 5 squared equals 3 squared plus E squared. So 5 squared is 25. Then we have 3 squared is 9 plus E squared. So 25 minus 9 equals E squared. So E squared is equal to 25 minus 9, that is 16. 25 minus 9, that is 16. So A will equal to square root of 16, which is 4. Meaning that here is 4. Here is 4. Okay. So now let's get back to the main question. You have 5 cos x minus 4 tan x. So when you look at cos x of x, cos is adjacent on our hypotenuse, so the adjacent, that is what, 4. On the hypotenuse, that is 5. Then you look at tan also, tan x. Tan x, tan is opposite adjacent, so the opposite is 3 and the adjacent is 4. So we substitute it into the question given here. So we have 5 by cos x. Now 4 on 5. So we have minus. Then we have 4. Tan x is 3 on 4. Okay. So with this, we have this 5 to this one. Then 4 to cancel this. We get 4 minus 3, which is giving us 1. Which is giving us 1. So our answer is 1 there. Good. Okay, so we'll be back tomorrow at the same time.